Heartburn remedies. 17 natural ways to reduce heartburn. Heartburn is a kind of disorder and disruption in the normal functioning of a body, starting from stomach acid pushed up in the esophagus, which results in a burning feeling in the chest and throat. When this acidic flow from the stomach continues to flow up towards the chest and throat and causes burning feelings repeatedly, is called gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. It is quite an irritating and uncomfortable situation. Common symptoms of this disease include sour taste in the back of the mouth, difficulty in breathing, burning in the chest and throat, bloating, and tooth erosion. In today's video, we will share with you 17 natural ways to reduce heartburn. Number 1. Wear loose clothes. Heartburn appears when your stomach contents rise into your esophagus and where stomach acids can burn the tissues. In some cases, it can be due to tight clothing, because tight clothes will compress your stomach. So if you are wearing tight clothes, then the first thing to do is loosen your belts, your pets, or whatever you are wearing tight. Number 2. Stand up straight. Your position can also lead to heartburn, so if you are sitting and lying down, then try to stand up. If you are already standing, then stand up more straightly, because an upright position puts less pressure on your lower esophageal sphincter, LES. Your LES is a ring of muscles which helps to stop stomach acid from rising into your esophagus. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3. Elevate your upper body. If heartburn comes at bedtime, then adjust your sleeping surface by raising your upper body, because lying down can make your heartburn worse. According to the Mayo Clinic, raising your head with extra pillows is not enough. The main purpose is to elevate your body from the waist up. If you have an adjustable bed, then set it at a suitable angle to get relief. If your bed is not adjustable, then change the angle of your sleeping surface by using a wedge pillow. Number 4. Mix baking soda with water. Baking soda is an amazing treatment for sudden relief from occasional heartburn. Baking soda gives you relief by neutralizing your stomach acid. The recommended amount of baking soda for adults is half a teaspoon mixed in a glass of water. It is best to drink it slowly to avoid side effects like gas and diarrhea. Number 5. Try ginger. Ginger has been used as a natural remedy for heartburn. You should take a cup of ginger tea up to 2 times a day to relieve heartburn. Ginger reduces the stomach acid flow up into the esophagus by naturally reducing the production of stomach acid. Number 6. Chew gum. Researchers show that chewing gum after half an hour after meals also helps you to reduce heartburn. Chewing gum promotes saliva production, which helps to neutralize acid, clear acid from your esophagus, and hence chewing gum helps to relieve heartburn. Number 7. Sip apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is also used by some people to treat heartburn, believing that it helps to neutralize stomach acid. One research suggests that drinking diluted apple cider vinegar after a meal helps to reduce heartburn. However, more research is needed to prove this. If you want to use this remedy, then dilute apple cider vinegar with water and take it after your meal. Number 8. Take licorice supplements. Licorice has been used as a natural remedy for heartburn for centuries. It helps to increase the mucus coating of the esophageal lining, which protects your esophagus from damage caused by stomach acid. Deglycyrrhizated licorice, DGL, is the supplement of licorice that is available in the form of pills and liquid. This supplement gives relief from heartburn. However, too much consumption of this supplement can raise your blood pressure, lower your potassium levels, and can also interfere with certain medications. Talk to your doctor before taking this supplement. Number 9. Stop smoking. Heartburn can be worse if you are a smoker. The nicotine found in tobacco relaxes the valve between the esophagus and stomach, which allows the stomach acid to come back into the esophagus and causes heartburn. To avoid this, you should quit smoking. Number 10. Eat a banana. Banana is a low-acid fruit that helps to reduce heartburn by coating an irritated esophageal lining and hence gives relief. Eating a banana every day gives you relief from heartburn. If the banana is not available, then you can also eat an apple. Number 11. Take aloe vera juice. Researchers suggest that purified aloe vera juice is an effective treatment of heartburn. If you are struggling with heartburn, then you should take half a cup of aloe vera juice before meals to keep your stomach and esophagus quiet. Aloe vera acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. Number 12. Limit your alcohol intake. Consumption of alcohol can increase the severity of heartburn and acid reflux. It increases stomach acid by relaxing the lower esophageal sphincter and reduces the ability of the esophagus to clear itself of acid. Studies have shown that moderate intake of alcohol can also cause reflux symptoms in healthy people. Excess alcohol can cause worse symptoms, so if you experience heartburn, then limit your consumption of alcohol. Number 13. Avoid raw onion. Eating raw onion can cause heartburn and acid reflux symptoms by relaxing the lower esophageal sphincter, because onions contain fermentable fiber which can promote heartburn. Studies have shown that people who eat raw onions in their meals have greater chances of heartburn as compared to those who did not use them. If you are facing heartburn, then you should avoid raw onions. Number 14. Limit the intake of carbonated drinks. Consumption of carbonated drinks is associated with an increased risk of heartburn. Studies have shown that carbonated soft drinks make the esophagus more acidic, weaken the lower esophageal sphincter as compared to plain water. If you are facing heartburn symptoms, then try to limit or leave carbonated drinks. Number 15. Eat less chocolate. Chocolate is a common trigger for heartburn because it relaxes the lower esophageal sphincter and allows stomach acid to enter into the esophagus and cause heartburn. One research showed that eating 4 ounces of chocolate can weaken the lower esophageal sphincter. Another controlled study found that the consumption of chocolate beverages increases the amount of acid in the esophagus, so you should limit the consumption of chocolate to avoid heartburn. Number 16. Avoid mint if needed. Peppermint and spearmint are the most common herbs that are used to flavor foods, candy, chewing gum, mouthwash, and toothpaste. They are also one of the main ingredients of herbal teas. Studies show that high doses of spearmint can affect the lower esophageal sphincter, increase acid reflux, and cause heartburn. However, more researches are needed to prove its side effects on heartburn. If you feel like mint is making your heartburn worse, then you should avoid it. Number 17. Don't sleep on your right side. Several studies have shown that sleeping on your right side can make heartburn symptoms worse. When you sleep on your left side, then the esophagus enters the right side of the stomach. As a result, the lower sphincter comes on the upper level of stomach acid. When you sleep on your right side, then stomach acid covers the lower esophageal sphincter, which increases the risk of acid leakage and causes acid reflux and heartburn. Hence, resting on your left side avoids heartburn and also makes you more comfortable as you fall asleep. When heartburn hits, there are many home remedies and lifestyle adjustments that provide you relief. If you are facing heartburn more than 2 or 3 times a week, then you should talk to your doctor. He might prescribe medications or other treatments. Will you try these natural remedies when you have heartburn? Let us know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!